Hello everyone, welcome back to Kota Education Career Point. Today we are going to discuss about previous year science inspector question paper. Actually this question is also helpful for other paramedical examinations. So let's begin with question number 1. Is a widespread commonly seen disease illness spread by mosquito is option 1 is cholera and diarrhea, option 2 is typhoid, option 3 is tuberculosis and option 4 is dengue and malaria. So the correct answer is dengue and malaria. Question number 2 is according to ICMR 2010 the amount of kcal kg per weight required by infant per day are option 1 is 100 kcal, option 2 is 115 kcal, option 3 is 92 kcal and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is 92 kcal. Question number 3 is tetanus is an acute disease induced by the exotoxic of option 1 is Clostridium tetani, option 2 is Clostridium perfringens, option 3 is Clostridium botulism, option 4 is Lactobacillus. So the correct answer is Clostridium tetani. Question number 4 is well-nourished women with adequate gestational weight gain should increase their food intake for the first 6 months of lactation by option 1 is 900 kcal, option 2 is 600 kcal per day, option 3 is 700 kcal per day, option 4 is 800 kcal per day. So the correct answer is 600 kcal per day. Question number 5 is cretinism is due to deficiency of option 1 is fluoride, option 2 iron, option 3 iodine, option 4 copper. So the correct answer is iodine. Question number 6 is energy needs of pregnant women increased because of the additional energy required for the option 1 is growth of fetus, option 2 physical activity, option 3 mental activity, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is growth of fetus. Question number 7 is prolonged chronic cough and cold which cannot be treated by antibiotics may be indicative of option 1 is tuberculosis, option 2 common cold, option 3 cough and option 4 is dehydration. So the correct answer is tuberculosis. Question number 8 is which of the following is a problem during pregnancy? Option 1 is nausea and vomiting, option 2 is edema, option 3 is both of the above and option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 9 is obese urban children are prone to option 1 is malnutrition, option 2 is energy deficiency, option 3 is carbohydrate deficiency, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is malnutrition. Question number 10 is epidemic of disease refers to option 1 is spread of disease in pregnant women, option 2 spread of disease among adolescent group, option 3 is outbreak of disease that attack many people at same time, option 4 is affects mostly children. So the correct answer is outbreak of disease that attack many people at the same time. Question number 11 is environmental factors which are indirectly related to malnutrition are option 1 is personal hygiene, option 2 population density, option 3 is environmental sanitation, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 12 is a predicator of the impact of body weight on morbidity and mortality risk is use of option 1 is body mass index, option 2 is body weight index, option 3 is body size index, option 4 is none of this. So the correct answer is body mass index. Question number 13 is osteomalacia develops in adult due to deficiency of option 1 is vitamin A, option 2 vitamin B, option 3 vitamin C and option 4 is vitamin D. So the correct answer is vitamin D. Question number 14 is as per ICDS norms the nutritional supplement of protein provides to adolescent girl is option 1 is 25 gram per day per gram protein, option 2 20 gram protein, option 3 15 gram protein, option 4 is 18 gram protein. So the correct answer is 25 gram protein. Question number 15 is pneumococcal infection includes serious disease such as option 1 is mental disorder, option 2 hypertension, option 3 pneumonia, option 4 is malaria. So the correct answer is pneumonia. Question number 16 is diphtheria infection is caused by toxigenic strain of option 1 is Corynebacterium diphtheria, option 2 is Mycobacterium, option 3 is Salmonella, option 4 is E. coli. So the correct answer is Corynebacterium diphtheria. Question number 17 is weekly iron folic acid supplementation scheme is commonly based intervention that address option 1 beriberi, option 2 albinofalvonsis, option 3 is anemia, option 4 to treat obesity. So the correct answer is anemia. Question number 18 is groups vulnerable to undernutrition. Option 1 is 0 to 6 years of children. Option 2 is adolescent girls. Option 3 pregnant and lactating mother, and option 4 is all of the above. Question number 90 says Janni Suraksha Yojana was launched as the scheme of facilitate. Option 1 is safe delivery in hospital. Option 2 delivery at home. Option 3 is delivery in ambulance. Option 4 is only C-section birth. So the correct answer is safe delivery in hospital. Question number 20 is SARS stand for. Option 1 is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Option 2 is severe acute rectal syndrome. Option 3 is severe acute renal syndrome. Option 4 is none of this. So the correct answer is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Question number 21 is the fetus receives nutrients and oxygen from the expectant mother during pregnancy through. Option 1 is ovary. Option 2 is fallopian tubes. Option 3 placenta. Option 4 is none of these. So the correct answer is placenta. Question number 22 is in India the suggested weight gain during pregnancy is. Option 1 is 5 to 6 kilograms. Option 2 7 to 8 kilograms. Option 3 11 to 13 kilograms, and option 4th is 15 to 23 kilograms. So the correct answer is 11 to 13 kilograms. Question number 23 is an example of incomplete protein is. Option 1 is zein, option 2 egg, option 3 fish, option 4 meat. So the correct answer is zein. Question number 24 is the hormone responsible for let down reflexes in breastfeeding is. Option 1 is oxytocin, option 2 insulin, option 3 aldosterone, option 4 is testosterone. So the correct answer is oxytocin. Question number 25 is nutritional disorder due to protein deficiency disease the first child get when the second baby is born. Option 1 is osteoporosis, option 2 Kwashiorkor, option 3 is marasmus, and option 4 is edema. So the correct answer is Kwashiorkor. Question number 26 is bleeding diseases is due to deficiency of option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin B complex, option 3 vitamin K, option 4 is vitamin E. So the correct answer is vitamin K. Question number 27 is hepatitis C virus belongs to which of the following group? Option 1 herpes virus, option 2 Pricona virus, option 3 Felvi virus, option 4 is Hepadina virus. So the correct answer is Felvi virus. Question number 28 is low blood level of folate during pregnancy can cause. Option 1 diabetes, option 2 heart disease, option 3 is neural tube defect, option 4 is renal failure. So the correct answer is neural tube defect. Question number 29 is which vaccine is to administered at the age of 10 years? Option 1 is tetanus toxoid, option 2 BCG, option 3 is MMR, and option 4 is oral polio dose. So the correct answer is tetanus toxoid. Question number 30 is growing children needs good amount of protein and calcium for. Option 1 is healthy growth and development, option 2 stunt growth, option 3 weight gain, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is healthy growth and development. Question number 31 is one of the richest plant source of protein is. Option 1 is zein, option 2 wheat, option 3 soybean, and option 4 maize. So the correct answer is soybean. Question number 32 is which is true in respect to colostrum. Option 1 can be synthesized by the newborns, is a source of antibodies and secreted from the breast for few days after birth. Option 2 contain primarily fat. Option 4 is a hormone involved in stimulating lactation. So the correct answer is a source of antibodies and secreted from the breast for the few days after birth. Question number 33 is tetanus toxoid vaccine is taken by the population to safeguard against. Option 1 diphtheria, option 2 whooping cough, option 3 tetanus, option 4 is cold. So the correct answer is tetanus. Question number 34 is DPT is known as. Option 1 is double antigen, option 2 triple antigen, option 3 is polio antigen, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is triple antigen. Question number 35 is heart disease show strong link to high. Option 1 is fat and cholesterol intake, option 2 protein intake, option 3 vitamin intake, option 4 none of this. So the correct answer is fat and cholesterol intake. Question number 36 is important objective of National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program is. Option 1 is health education and publicity of importance of iodized salt. Option 2 is laboratory monitoring of iodized salt. Option 3 is supply of iodinated salt in place of common salt. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 37 is a dirty white foamy raised spot formed on the surface of conjunctiva is due to deficiency of vitamin A is known as. Option 1 is white spot. Option 2 is yellow spot. Option 3 Bitot spot. Option 4 is ulcer scar. So the correct answer is Bitot spot. Question number 38 is morning sickness is termed used for dash during first trimester of pregnancy. Option 1 is increased appetite. Option 2 is nausea. Option 3 is constipation. Option 4 is anxiety. So the correct answer is nausea. Question number 39 is which promotes absorption of fat soluble vitamin like vitamin A, D, E, K. Option 1 is proteins, option 2 fats, option 3 carbohydrates, option 4 minerals. So the correct answer is fats. Question number 40 is which of the following is disaccharide? Option 1 is galactose, option 2 maltose, option 3 glucose and option 4 is fructose. So the correct answer is maltose. Question number 41 is main risk of factor non-communicable disease in urban and rural population is. Option 1 is alcohol abuse, option 2 poor diet, option 3 is tobacco consumption, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 42 is anemia in our country is essential due to. Option 1 is iodine deficiency, option 2 is electrolyte deficiency, option 3 is iron deficiency, option 4 is calcium deficiency. So the correct answer is iron deficiency. Question number 43 is Chylomicronemia is found in which deficiency? Option 1 is vitamin B12, option 2 vitamin B6, option 3 vitamin C and option 4 iron deficiency anemia. So the correct answer iron deficiency anemia. Question number 44 is intake of protein less than 0.4 to 0.6 gram kg per body weight as per is considered as. Option 1 is high protein intake, option 2 low protein intake, option 3 Koshikar, option 4 marasmus. So the correct answer is low protein intake. Question number 45 is amino acids that cannot be synthesized in the body are known as. Option 1 is important amino acids, option 2 essential amino acids, option 3 non-essential amino acids and option 4 is relevant amino acid. So the correct answer is essential amino acids. Question number 46 is skeletal fluorosis is caused by. Option 1 is inadequate intake of fluorine, option 2 is excess consumption of fluorine, option 3 excess consumption of vitamin C and option 4 is excess consumption of iodine. So the correct answer is excess consumption of fluorine. Question number 47 is undernourished expectant mother may give birth to infant with. Option 1 is low birth weight, option 2 healthy and strong, option 3 is tall and heavy, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is low birth weight. Question number 48 is cholera is due to contaminated. Option 1 food, option 2 water, option 3 air, option 4 none of this. So the correct answer is water. Question number 49 is oral rehydration therapy is given when a person has. Option 1 is edema, option 2 is constipation, option 3 dehydration, option 4 is renal failure. So the correct answer is dehydration. Question number 50 is iodine intent of iodized salt. Iodated salt is estimated by the process called. Option 1 is phenolization, option 2 is titration, option 3 hydrogenation, option 4 is iodometric titration. So the correct answer is iodometric titration. Question number 51 is composition of ORS as home remedy. Option 1 is 1 water 1 liter, option 2 40 gram of sucrose, option 3 1/4 tablespoon 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch of common salt, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 52 is HIV is transmitted by all the following routes except. Option 1 is sexual intercourse, option 2 needle prick injury, option 3 blood transmission, option 4 saliva. So the correct answer is saliva. Question number 53 is good source of ascorbic acid are. Option 1 is fresh fruits and vegetables, option 2 is cereals, option 3 pulses, option 4 milk. So the correct answer is fresh fruits and vegetables. Question number 54 is polio virus is spreaded through. Option 1 is contaminated food and water, option 2 by dog bite, option 3 insect bite, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is contaminated food and water. Question number 55 is a balanced nutritious diet for all ages should intake. Option 1 cereal and pulses, option 2 milk, meat, fat and sugars, option 4 fruit and vegetables, option 4 is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, so please like, share, subscribe this channel